Hey everyone, Laura with my very own quilt shop. About to do a little test run of a quilting design before I put it on a quilt. I've done a lot of swirls, but I recently learned how to do leaves. I had just had a block with leaves, and then I took a machine quilting class at the Minnesota Quilt Show with Susie Webster, and she finally figured out leaves when a national instructor told her to think of it as starting with a gentle S, and that's exactly what it took for me to finally click. And so now I'm going to try to combine leaves with swirls. Full disclosure, this is I think the 5th or 6th, maybe even the 6th time I've tried this video. The first two I forgot things, and then when I started stitching in the subsequent ones, the stitching was just horrible, and I don't know why the last couple of times. The first time is because I didn't have the presser foot at 0. So I've changed needles, I've rethreaded the whole machine, I've taken the bobbin in and out, I've actually stitched a little bit, and I think it's going to work this time. So I am going to get this down at the machine. Hopefully, sometimes with the lighting it's hard to see what I'm doing, because I got the light on my machine reflecting plus my extra light. This is the shelf liner that I started using. I have two 6-inch squares that I fold in half, that I got a tip about back in February, I think, and it has been a game changer for my machine quilting. It really allows me to move the quilt more easily. So if you're struggling with moving the quilt, you might want to give it a try. I got mine at Walmart. I've heard you can get it at the dollar store. It's this, shelf liner stuff, that rubbery kind of stuff, but it really helps grip the quilt. So here we go. Let's see what we can do here. Do another echoing swirl. I really like swirls. They're like my favorite design.